Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Airtable extensions for LinkedIn lead tracking. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Airtable website. Log into your Airtable account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, click on the Extensions button in the upper right corner of your base. In the Extensions sidebar, click on the Explore More Extensions option. Use the search bar to type in LinkedIn. Find the LinkedIn lead tracking extension in the search results and click on it. Click the Install button to add the extension to your Airtable base. Follow any on-screen prompts to configure the extension settings. Now, you will need to connect your LinkedIn account to Airtable. Select the relevant LinkedIn account from the login options available. Once connected, grant the necessary permissions for Airtable to access your LinkedIn data. Return to the Airtable base and select the specific table where you want to track your LinkedIn leads. Set up your desired fields to capture information such as name, job title, company, and contact details. Create a new record for each LinkedIn lead you want to track. You can automate capturing leads by utilizing the extensions features or integrations. Regularly check back to update any information as your leads advance. Explore additional functionalities within the extension for better lead management. Save your changes and close the extensions sidebar when you're finished. Now you're all set up for effective LinkedIn lead tracking with Airtable extensions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.